Three teenagers are lucky to be alive tonight after crashing their vehicle into an embankment on Rifle Range Road just after 8 p.m. The road was blocked in both directions. It was reported they had swerved to avoid hitting a kangaroo, but this is in doubt. The two males had fled the scene before police arrived, and the remaining female claimed to have been the driver and only occupant of the vehicle. This is also in serious doubt. Several witnesses stated another car was called just before police arrived to remove the males from the scene. The female was breath tested and taken into police custody. The vehicle was then towed away. There has already been serious deaths on this road, and unfortunately speed is believed to be a major factor in this accident. More debris was shown here in this footage of the embankment where the car had struck before coming to its crashing end, and luckily no one else was killed. Dashcams Gold Coast.